How do invasive species affect aquatic ecosystems? If you have ever wondered how foreign plants and animals can disrupt the delicate balance of our oceans, lakes, and rivers, you are about to find out. Let us explore the game packed of invasive species on aquatic ecosystems. Invasive species are plants and animals that are introduced to a new environment where they do not naturally belong. These introductions can happen through various means, such as the ballast water of ships, accidental releases from aquaculture or aquariums, or even intentional releases by people. Once these invasive species establish themselves, they can have devastating effects on the native plants and animals. For example, invasive macrophytes, like certain types of aquatic plants, can form dense canopies that reduce light availability and crowd out native plants. This can lead to a decline in native plant species and a reduction in biodiversity. In terms of animal life, invasive species can prey on native species, compete with them for food and space, or even live on or in them through parasitism. For instance, the zebra mussel and sea lamprey have significantly altered the Great Lakes ecosystem by outcompeting native species for resources and habitat. The food web is also heavily impacted. Invasive predators can deplete the populations of native prey species, while invasive herbivores can reduce the abundance of native plants. This cascading effect can lead to changes in the entire food web, affecting everything from zooplankton to fish. In addition to these biological impacts, invasive species can also alter the physical environment. They can increase water turbidity, nitrogen levels, and organic matter concentration, leading to eutrophication and degraded water quality. This can result in reduced oxygen levels in the water, making it harder for native species to survive. Economic impacts are also significant. Invasive species can harm aquatic industries, such as fishing and boating, by reducing the populations of commercially important species and degrading habitats. For example, the Atlantic salmon introduced to Alaska threatens the local fisheries and the economic stability of the industry that depends on native Pacific salmon and trout. In summary, invasive species can lead to the extinction of native plants and animals, reduce biodiversity, and permanently alter habitats. They can disrupt the food web, degrade water quality, and have significant economic impacts on aquatic ecosystems. Understanding these effects is crucial for managing and protecting our aquatic environments.